name is Daniela.
And my name's Nivel.
So today we are going to make a delicious recipe. The ingredients that we are going to use for this delicious recipe are egg, passion fruit, double cheese cream, and macaroni.
Tomato, turmeric, pepper, sugar,
Bay leaves, garlic, powdered garlic, chicken, and some spring onion.
First, we are going to use a curry pot to cook our chicken in a small square.
And then we need to cook our vegetables to do something like a sauce in small squares.
Now I'm putting the oil into the pan, and then I'm going to add the chicken, and I'm going to wait more or less 5 or 7 minutes when I see the chicken is cooked.
So now we're going to blend the vegetables and the water into the sauce.
To avoid the macaroni sticking together, we have to mix them. So in the water, we add the salt, pepper, and turmeric.
Now we have to grate the cheese, by then add the macarons.
Now I'm going to mix the sauce with the chicken, and I have to wait 5 minutes.
So now we're going to make a passion fruit juice. All you need is some passion fruit,
Now I'm going to add the sauce with the chicken, and she's going to mix